class, today we'll be treating a very interesting topic, textiles. So what do we have to discuss under textiles? Let's take a look at the topic outline. The definition and examples of textiles, the importance of textiles, types of textiles, basic textile terms, reason for studying textiles, and we are going to be giving examples of synthetic fibers. Alright guys, get your writing materials. So what are textiles? This can also be known as cloth or a woven or knitted fabrics. It is also a flexible woven material consisting of a network of natural or artificial fibers, which are often referred to as thread or yarn. Textiles are formed by weaving, knitting, crocheting, or pressing fibers together. Now, what are the types of textiles? We have two types of textiles, namely the man-made or synthetic or the artificial fibers and the natural fibers. Now, natural fibers are those fibers obtained from two main sources, the animal sources and the plant or vegetable sources. Examples of fibers that are obtained from animal sources, you have your wool and your silk. Then examples of fibers obtained from plant sources, we have your cotton, we have your linen and straw. Now to man-made fibers, these are classified into two, the cellulose-based fibers and the non-cellulose-based fibers. The cellulose-based fibers are made from cellulose, which is obtained from cotton litters or wood pulp. Examples of cellulose-based fibers are viscose rayon and acetate, while non-cellulose-based fibers are made from entirely mineral substances such as coal and petroleum. Examples of your non-cellulose-based fibers are nylon, polyesters, and acrylic. Now let's discuss the basic textile terms. The first one is fiber. A fiber is a hair-like basic unit of raw material used in making of yarns and fabric. Examples are cotton, linen, silk, wool, nylon, fibers. All these are examples of fibers. Now to yarn. A yarn is a thread made by twisting or spinning fibers. So to get a yarn, you have to twist or spin your fibers. The next textile term is fabric. This is a cloth constructed with yarn or directly from fibers, either by weaving, knitting, crocheting, or pressing fibers together. A woven fabric is made up of two sets of yarn or thread, which are the wrap and the weft. Now to the wrap. The wrap is the yarn or thread which runs lengthwise in a woven fabric. It is parallel to the selvage. Now the weft. This is the yarn that runs crosswise in a fabric. It runs at right angles across the selvage. Now, reasons why we study textile. Number one is for identifying the different types of fabric and their characteristics or properties. Number two, to enable us select or choose the suitable fabric for a given purpose. Number three, it helps to guide you during the design of fabrics. Number four, it helps in taking proper care of fabrics. Then number five, it helps you to know the sources or origin of the different types of fabric. Now the importance of textile. One, they are used for clothing. Two, with textiles, children can learn how to sew and make toys. While growing up, most of you girls in this class, you made dresses for your baby dolls. Alright, now, other importance include they are used in carpeting, furnishing, window shades, and they can serve as decoration. Then number 4, they can be used as tent, nets, flag, handkerchief, dusters, etc. Now, examples of synthetic fibers. Remember we said synthetic fibers are produced through chemical processes. Examples are nylon, we have acrylic, we have polyesters, and we have acetate. Okay, these are examples of synthetic fibers. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Feel free to ask any question you don't understand concerning this lesson. See you in our next class, and remember, hard work pays. Bye.